Hi YouTube, I just want to share with some little tool that I bought it from Amazon, which is I think very decent. And you can see that my stud, some guy over toward this and they cross thread on that, so this 3 is broken. So now I bought this from Amazon. It's about $7. Come with 3 nuts. Okay, like that. You can do without this, but to have it is very nice. Show you how it's done. Okay, and easy to use it. I recommend it even though you do it at home. You can buy something like this for yourself and for your whatever broken, you can use it. See that? You can do with your regular nuts, but I prefer that when you use this right here, it's better. Okay, this one is not the right thread. I think that's not the right one, and this one is not the right one either. It's not for Honda, it's for Toyota on that one. But I was using the nuts that I bought right here, which is, we'll go inside here. Okay, see that? Okay, and you can use impact for it. Okay, see that? Which is nice. See, sit all the way back. Okay, so this kit here costs only $7, I think $7.99 plus tax. Okay, come with 3 different size nuts, but I think this is supposed to be like a Honda, but I don't know why it doesn't fit. It fit, but it just stopped. It doesn't go no more. Okay, so that probably for Toyota, the tread side. And this one's the same thing, it's too big. Yeah, so the only thing I use this right here, because this one have like a deeper that you don't cross thread with this right here. If you don't use this, you can use any like bigger washer. That work too. Okay, you don't have to buy this thing here, but it's good to have it because I think this is work better because the bearing here, when you torque, use a gun, and this is turned so it does not cross thread with the nuts that you put on. Okay, all right, thank you for watching.